you can see I've already started digging our little trench for the exhaust water to go out. We're going all the way. I'm fixing to go cut across the driveway. We're going all the way straight back, and where this pad was built, it drops off back there on the other side of the trees. It's going to go straight out that way, and we're going to stub up three spots here. One by this tree. We'll go in and go towards the tree and stub up, and we'll do the same thing probably there and then back there. And that way, when spring comes around, I'll have a valve on the end of the pipe. I can turn it off and it'll water these trees, or I'll actually put water hose connections on there so we can water the yard or whatever. Alright, there's our trench. Ryan's, excuse the wind, Ryan's PVC down. Fix to start burying it because the sun's getting low in the sky. Say Chase, huh? Well, my goodness, it is cold, and winter is here apparently. You can kind of see my dirt work. This may not be completely finished until next year, some point in the spring. What's going on, buddy? Yeah, come on. Been working a little bit today, and so far I come up with this idea, and I think it's going to work. So today's plan is to get all the materials we need to mix concrete. Alrighty, concrete crew, take 2. So we're going down here to quarry out some sand, actually sand gravel mix. Alright, here's our spot for the clay. About as much as I want to put in there. Do that twice and it'll be plenty. There it is. He's always trying to dump that without dropping the tailgate. Oh my goodness, look at these dogs. Look at these dogs sleeping. Are you sleeping? Huh? You silly. Look at that. Sleeping in the sun, huh? Hi, Ellie. That's sleeping in the sun? There's Chase. Hey, Chase. Are you sleeping in the sun too? Huh? Of course I can't carry that at the same time. No, I can't do it. Maybe I can. Well, I forgot I'd already put a tube in here. So basically these tubes, they come with this, let me get this thing to turn here. They come with this fitting, and the stem actually goes in and fits in that. So we got the tire broke loose. I'm going to try to fit that tube in there with Ryan holding this up. I think it can be done. We'll see. Okay. Well, at first I thought I could get that in there with this still on, but it wasn't going to happen. We couldn't get it to pull up because this bead is just too strong. So we pulled it over the rim, and it's much easier to pull out, so I can shove this in there. And Ryan's holding it, pulling it out while I'm shoving it in. So it's a pain in the butt, but it's easier than pulling the tire completely off. So yeah, this is no fun. And it had a tube in it, but the people who sold me the tube said it would work. When I went and bought another one, I realized that trying to sell me a tube that was too small, and so this one started leaking out of the seam. Come over here and pull on this, Ryan, and let's shove the rest of it in. So this is kind of what we've been doing, but you can't see. Yeah, go down a little bit more. Now the trick is to not pinch it. So, and I gotta find the stem, pull the stem out over there. Put a little bit of air in this thing and try to get that tube out of the way. Okay, I feel it now. Stop. That's probably good. Got it. We got it without tearing the dang tire in half. Almost happened. Put some Pookie in it and air it up. Well, looks like we gotta replace some parts or fix some parts. We're gonna get the electric one. Okay, let me go plug this in. Let's see if it turns on, Blazer. Let's see if he figures it out. If he does, it'll turn on. Okay, ready? Nope. Let's see if it's turned on. Turn it on. Turn it on, Azer. There it is. And that tire yesterday, that tire wore me out. And so today I'm going to try to do this stuff with as little of my muscle power as possible when you use tractors. Push it over, and then I'm going to set the bucket down on that so it'll stay. Okay, you got it under control. This side pushed out and it's draining. This thing does not like my mic. Cool deal. Well, we'll run into a couple of snags, but we're fixing the problem. But you can kind of see down in there. Okay, so what happens whenever your form's crappy? Well, you just improvise. So we had to call it, not do any more, because basically the forms are not very good. I used a bunch of wood that was laying around, and I thought 3 2x4s would be enough for 2 foot of hydraulic pressure, but boy was I wrong. So what I did is borrowed the excavator and propped this side up, and then I borrowed the backhoe and propped this side up, and then I used a toy truck and propped the end, which is probably not necessary at this point. And we've got roughly 2 foot of aggregate concrete in here. It's kind of a combination. What just happened? This thing, what is wrong with this thing? Come on.